Hello everyone, this is Shreyan, and right now I'm going to be talking about a problem which is called code visualization. So, this topic is about how do we visualize code in such a way that even the complex structures and the complex systems and architectures can be broken down into simple pieces of diagrams or blueprints visually, which is very easy to understand. So, for example, right now, if there is a code review, it takes a lot of time to understand the code flow. Even if a particular project is being passed on to another team, it is very time consuming to understand a particular code flow. And coming to this, and in front of me is a particular repository which belongs to MPAndroidChart, and it's a very famous Android repository. It is used to generate charts for Android projects that I have in front of me. And as you can see, it is very complex, and it is very, a lot of people have contributed to it. And even right now, I want to contribute to it. But to contribute, I need to understand the code flow and what is happening inside of it, and it takes a lot of time. As you can see, I have to go through each and every file to understand what is happening. And if I see I want to work in this bubble chart activity, and even the code is very extensive, as you can see, very extensive. So what if I tell you there's a way to break this code down into a simple diagram to understand not only just this file but also all the files relevant to it? And that's how my problems is solved in Ceethru, that is a code visualizer application. So right now it's the same file, bubble chart activity, as you can see. And as you can see, all the methods and everything that is laid out right now is coming over here. So right now, if I want to select more of the methods inside it and understand it, I can very easily understand it, as you can see. And right now, if I want to see the data that is being passed, it's very easy to understand. So on create is getting some data to set space bottom, and the parameters are float, and it's returning void. So it's very easy to understand. All the legends inside here is also providing me the necessary input to understand this particular diagram. All the classes and all the methods are beautifully aligned. As you can see, I can even understand the depth of the call at a very fundamental level. I'll show you how. So right now, if I generate 0, so it's coming as in this process where all the methods and all the functions are not in the process. That is why it is 0. And if I want to check out the next step, and then I can check it out in a certain way, I can even remove a certain particular method and see what the difference is being made. And let me remove a few. As you can see, it is very easy to understand. I can just play around with a lot of these things, very easy to understand. So I would say that this application is very useful for code visualization. And right now I'm going to show you how you can make your own diagram for your any kind of Java project. So I'll just go to the home page, and we're going to try for this particular repository, that is MP Android chart that we have discussed about. So right now I have the repository in my local system. I'm just going to copy the path. I'm gonna paste it over here. I'm gonna submit, and I'm gonna open the very same file. So as you can see, it is very intuitive. It's very easily broken down. I can very easily access the files, and just one click away, and it's gonna load, and oh boom, all my diagram is totally presented in front of me. As you can see, it is very nicely arranged. I can anyway play around with it. It's very useful. So thank you for watching the video. That's it. And please, you can also try this application Ceethru, and also let us know how it is useful to you. Thank you.